Imagine waking up feeling energized, balanced, and ready to conquer the day. Sounds amazing, right? But did you know that what you eat can significantly impact how you feel? Hormonal imbalances affect millions of people, causing issues like fatigue, mood swings, and weight gain. Today, we're diving into the world of superfoods that can help restore your hormonal balance and support a healthy endocrine system. Stick around to discover how these powerhouse foods can make a real difference in your life. Hi everyone, welcome back to Well-being. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for all the latest in health and wellness. Hormones play a crucial role in regulating everything from your mood to your metabolism. An imbalance can disrupt your life in many ways, but the good news is, certain superfoods can help you regain that balance naturally. Let's explore how these foods can be your allies in achieving hormonal harmony. First on our list is chia seeds, often hailed as a superfood for good reason. These tiny seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. But what makes them so special for hormonal balance? Chia seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that helps support adrenal health. Adrenal glands are crucial for managing stress and regulating hormones. When you're under stress, your adrenals work overtime, and chia seeds can help ease that burden. The fiber content in chia seeds also plays a role in stabilizing blood sugar levels, which can reduce those hormone-driven cravings and mood swings. Adding chia seeds to your diet is easy. You can sprinkle them on your morning oatmeal, blend them into your smoothies, or even make a simple chia pudding. For a quick chia pudding, mix 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of almond milk, a splash of vanilla extract, and a drizzle of honey. Let it sit in the fridge overnight and you've got a nutritious and delicious breakfast or snack. Next up are flaxseeds, which are another fantastic addition to your diet. They're loaded with lignans, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. But what exactly do these components do for your hormonal health? Flaxseeds are particularly known for their lignans, which are phytoestrogens that help balance estrogen levels. For those experiencing symptoms like mood swings or irregular cycles, flax seeds can provide relief by moderating estrogen levels. They also contribute to digestive health with their high fiber content, ensuring that excess hormones are effectively processed and eliminated from your body. Ground flax seeds are more digestible than whole flax seeds, so opt for ground when you're incorporating them into your meals. You can add them to your smoothies, sprinkle them on top of salads, or mix them into your yogurt. Here's a simple way to start. Add 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed to your breakfast smoothie or bowl of cereal. Finally, let's talk about leafy greens like spinach and kale. These greens are nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins A, C, K, and folate. How do they contribute to hormonal balance? Leafy greens support liver function, which is essential for detoxifying excess hormones from the body. An overloaded liver can lead to hormonal imbalances, so consuming these greens helps keep your liver healthy and efficient. Additionally, the high levels of vitamins and antioxidants in leafy greens help reduce inflammation, which can also aid in hormone regulation. Adding leafy greens to your meals is simple and versatile. You can toss them into salads, blend them into smoothies, or sauté them as a side dish. Try a green smoothie with spinach, a banana, and some almond milk for a nutrient-packed start to your day, or sauté kale with garlic and a splash of olive oil for a quick and nutritious side dish. Aim to include at least 1 superfood in each meal. Whether it's chia seeds in your breakfast or leafy greens in your lunch, these small changes can make a big impact. Prepare superfood-based meals in advance to ensure consistency. For instance, you could batch cook chia pudding or flaxseed granola for easy on-the-go snacks. Monitor how you feel after incorporating these superfoods into your diet. If you notice positive changes, keep up with these habits to maintain hormonal balance. Let me share the story of Emma, who struggled with hormonal imbalances for years. After incorporating chia seeds and flax seeds into her diet, she noticed a significant improvement in her energy levels and mood stability. Similarly, Jake found that adding more leafy greens helped with his digestion and overall sense of well-being. These real-life examples show how impactful these simple dietary changes can be. To recap, we've explored how chia seeds, flax seeds, and leafy greens can significantly contribute to hormonal balance and overall endocrine health. These superfoods are not only packed with nutrients but also offer practical benefits for managing hormonal imbalances. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried any of these superfoods before, or do you have any favorite ways to use them? Drop your comments below. I'd love to see what works for you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on health and wellness. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and here's to a balanced and vibrant life.